Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about membership operators in Python. So what we will discuss in this class? Membership operators in Python. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So this is my idle. And first of all, we have to create the file, right? We have to create the file. So I'll just save it as, go to the documents and go to the Python programs folder, and here I'll write membership membership operators dot py, right, and save it, right. So here we are having access equal to Achyut and Sujita, right, right. So here I have to print it Sujita and X. So in is a membership operator. In is a membership operator. So what in will do? It will check whether this Sujita is present in that object or not. In this object or not. Right? In X or not. In simply X or not. Right? So just run it and click on F5 and click on OK. So it will give true because Sujita is present in X, right? For example, if I give, for example, Denvok and save it and click on F5, it will give false. It will give false. Why? Because Denvok is not present, right? Right? And likewise only, will be having not in, not in, not in X. So we in the membership operators, we are having two two things, in and not in. In and not in. In means it is present. Not in means it is not present. I'm saying it is not present. Yes, it is not present. Save it and click on F5. It will give true because it is not present. Denvok is present in X or is Denvok is present in X? No, right? So that's why it's giving true. For example, if I give here Achyut, it will give false. It will give false because Achyut is present in the X. So what not in will do? It will check it is not in that X or not. It is not there in X or not. So it is there. It is there. So it will give false. It will give false. Right? So these are the simple membership operators. Right? I hope you understand what is membership operators and what are the things are there in the membership operators. So what are the things are there? In and not in. In and not in. So in will check whether that this property is present in that X or not, right? Not in will check whether this property is not there in that X or not. It will check, right? It should not be there. It should not be there. I'm saying actually is not there in X, right? So it will check whether it is there or not. If it is there, it will give false. And if it's not there, it will give true, right? So this is all about membership operators. So I hope you understand. And if you have any doubts in this membership operators, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video, and please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then I will get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.